Deal with it. See, that's the number right there. Soto Soto, Toronto, Canada. I own Canada. I told him I ain't scared of them. What, Drake? What? What y'all want to do? Birdman Little, what y'all want to do? I got all the money. I got the power. I got the throne. I got the style that you want. It's mine. See, I called him right there. 416-815-55000. He likes to go to Soto Soto in Toronto, Canada. What you want to do? See, Drake, what he like to do is get real personal. So like, oh, you want to get personal? I get personal too then, Drake. Try to go where I go. Or stop me from going places I want to go and then get up with the people I'm trying to get up with. That's what he like to do. To try to get them, oh, that's what you like to do? Oh, okay, Drake, all right. I know the type of person you is. That junk not going to work on me. It might have done worked on other people, but it's not going to work on me. And these people, they've been working together. Drake, Meek Mill, Rick Ross, Jay-Z. They've been acting like they was beefing, but they was really just trying to keep people from knowing about me. That's why that Drake and Meek Mill bullshit happened back in 2015. They were just trying to keep people from not knowing about me. So like, well, we might as well just act like we beefing. But let's see who win that anyway. And Meek Mill got his ass fucking embarrassed. He's like, well, let's just beef to keep SHAMEE out the game. Yeah. Anyways, I'm about to go ahead and end this video. I'm not scared of none of these rappers or celebrities. No, I'm not scared of nothing. I own the planets. You don't understand that? I own the planets, yo. Watch, I'm gonna make another phone call. Let's see how he at. They gonna tell him. They run up and tell him. Tops on him. I'm not here. Tell him I'm not here. You not no boss, bro. I'm the boss. Anyway, I'm gonna make this video. Upload this video. Today is June 19, 2023. I uploaded the song. You hear the lyrics on there. Hear what I said. What he gonna be able to say to that? Listen to what I said on that song, those lyrics. Listen to what I say. June 19, 2023. Stay tuned, man. I'm not playing with y'all. I'm the best to ever do it. And I've proven it.